Hey, what's going on, everybody? Zacchaeus Nifong again with Orthodox Daily. This is video 2 of 2 videos in which how to add or edit users and share your Google Analytics stats with others, whether you're creating a Google Analytics profile under a main account or actually creating a new account. This really helps apply to people that, for example, already have a Gmail account, but they have search engine marketers that are helping them. This would be how to, this would really apply to them, because then they can go into their Google Analytics account and they can know or learn how to share that with their search engine marketers, or anybody else for that matter. So let's get started. This is video 2. I've just went ahead and went into Google Analytics in the search bar. You search for it. I'm in Firefox. You click on the top link. Then you click on sign in. Now just remember, this is not how to create a Google Analytics account. This is just how to share your data. So then go ahead and sign in. And then once you're in, we had already talked about kind of the differences between profiles and accounts. Real quickly, I'm just going to show you how to share your actual account. So the way that you would do that is, let's see, you would go into one of your accounts, which I just did. Alright, once you're in the account, you click on the admin link or tab in the top right corner, and from there you go under users, which is located here, and then you click on new user, and then you add their email address. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And you can either make them a user or an administrator. If you're just sharing your stats, you can make them a user, but if you want to give them the rights to do other things, go ahead and make them an administrator. It doesn't hurt always. So go ahead and click the radio button for that. Click on create user. They're going to get an email that tells them that they have now been added to this particular Google Analytics account, and then they can come in here through their own Google Analytics account and see this, instead of them logging in under your account to try to see all this data. So that's how you actually add one. Reverse effect here, of course, you would just, in order to remove them, you would click on settings, and at this point you could actually change their right to user. Okay, then you would save it. Alright, and then you can remove them. So in other words, what I'm saying is their role has to be a user before you can actually delete them. So you would click on remove and then remove the user. Furthermore, if you wanted to add another profile underneath your own account, the way that you would do that is, okay, so for now you can see the breadcrumb. I'm located in all accounts, then Hooked Adventures, and now we can actually create another profile if we wanted to. So if we go under profile settings, okay, if you look under here, you can actually see that the profile setting is this email address, and see how you can click on new profile. Profile name, I'm just going to name test. Okay, time is all that, and then create the profile. And then at this point you can actually go under profile settings, and you can see there's another profile that's listed here. Now if we go back to Hooked Adventures, you can see that the profile wasn't added yet because we still need to actually add the property. Alright, so then you would go new property, property name, test, select one, HTTP, then we'll go test.com, name the time, create the property, and we'll just give it a second to load here. Okay, and then it's asking what are you tracking. It's a single domain, here's the code, so on and so forth. I'm going to go back up to Hooked Adventures, so you can now see that Hooked Adventures is the main account, which is actually being shared with us, with my social internet marketing company. Hooked Adventures is the main one, and they have now 2 properties underneath the main account. Now if you only have one, then you don't need to set up a second property. Here's how you delete the second property. You click on the property, go to Profile Settings, scroll all the way down, and click Delete this profile. Delete the profile, and that's it. Thanks a lot, guys. Check us out online, orthodoxdaily.com.